learned about the water cycle. You might think science is boring, but I bet you didn't know that the water cycle could talk. Let's go see Oscar the ocean to see what he's doing.
I'm just like all other oceans, lakes, and rivers. When my friends say the sun comes out and warms my surface, I really heat up. Part of my water changes from a liquid to a gas. This gas is called water vapor.
We call it evaporation when the water changes into a gas and rises into the sky. If I didn't heat the water, it would never evaporate and the cycle wouldn't start. I provide the energy that drives the whole water cycle.
That's right. As I evaporate and rise as high as I can into the air. Up, up, and away. Ouch, Sammy, too hot, too hot.
As I rise into the air, I get cooled down. The higher you go in the sky, the cooler it gets. By the time I get up to the clouds, I'm too cool for school. At least too cool to be a water vapor anymore.
Hey, there it's in the dust. Let's go hang out with Dan and some more water vapor and make a cloud. The more water vapor we can get, the heavier the cloud will get, and then we can rain down. I live to rain. When the water vapor rises into the sky, it cools down and binds with dust particles to make clouds. We call this condensation. I am formed when water vapor condenses and changes back into a liquid. When enough water vapor changes back into a liquid, rain will start to fall for me.
We call this precipitation. Raindrops are precipitation.
Hey, don't forget about us. Snowflakes are precipitation too. Brr, it's cold right here. Right, if it is below 32 degrees, clouds can produce snowflakes instead of rain. While weather is snow, sleet, or rain, we all fall back down to oceans, lakes, rivers, seas, lakes, and rivers. We all fall down.
Then I heat the water back up and the whole cycle starts over again.
Evaporation, condensation, and precipitation make up the water cycle. I hope you've learned all about the water cycle because the water cycle provides us with fresh water and keeps all animals and plants alive.
I hope you learned all about the water cycle, kids. It is just one of the many important cycles